In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image into a circle using Canva. This is a simple and effective way to add a touch of elegance to your design projects. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Canva's website at canva.com. Once there, you'll see the login button in the upper right corner. Clicking this will prompt you to sign into your Canva account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed. You can log in with your Google or Facebook credentials, or simply use your email address, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll need to upload the photo you want to crop. Simply navigate to your Canva design and choose to upload a photo from your computer or device. You'll find the upload button on the left-hand side of the page, typically labeled with an uploads icon. Click on it and then hit the upload media button to select and upload your desired photo from your device. Now that your photo is uploaded, we'll move on to cropping it into a circle. On the same left sidebar, look for the option labeled elements. Click on it and in the search bar that appears, type frames. This will bring up a selection of different frames. Scroll through these options until you find a circle frame. Click on the circle frame to add it to your design workspace. Now for the fun part, combining your photo with the circle frame, simply drag your uploaded photo over to the circle frame. As soon as you position the photo above the frame, you'll see it snap into place, automatically cropping it into a circular shape. This is a handy feature Canva offers to make design adjustments quick and easy. If you need to make any adjustments to how your image sits within the frame, simply double click on the photo. This will allow you to resize or reposition the image to better fit within the circle, ensuring it looks just right. You can move it around or use the handles to resize until you're satisfied with the look. Finally, once you've achieved the perfect crop, it's time to download your design. Head to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click the Share button, which will then offer you the option to download. Here you can decide whether you'd like your image saved as a PNG, JPEG or PDF. If you want a transparent background, make sure to check that option before you hit download, especially if you chose the PNG format. And there you have it, a beautifully cropped circular image ready to be used in your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.